Hey, welcome to this week's Monday Marketing Minute.
I'm here to give you 3 tips for display advertising for 2020.
Let's get started. So people are creatures of habit, and when something happens to shake up those habits, marketers need to be ready to adapt.
Right, which is why our first tip for display advertising in 2020 is to watch your data constantly.
And now we produce paid media reports monthly, in addition to daily monitoring of our clients' campaigns. But we highly recommend checking in daily for big campaigns or weekly or bi-weekly for smaller campaigns. It's just very important to keep your eye on the data and spot trends that might emerge.
That's right, Freddy. And that doesn't mean you should be changing your advertisements every day or stopping a campaign if it doesn't perform well over a week. You're just checking to see what's working and what might need to be tweaked. For example, we noticed for one of our higher education clients that we were getting better performance from non-parents than parents during the recent COVID pandemic.
Yeah, and we attribute this to parents working from home more and taking care of kids versus non-parents having more free time to browse and do whatever they'd like. But it's more important to watch the trends and change accordingly.
That's right. Another tip, be particularly careful with your language and timing right now. Between political movements, coronavirus, and the upcoming election, you don't want to alienate part of your audience, accidentally providing them with insensitive advertisements.
We had some clients ask to pause paid advertisements on Blackout Tuesday, and you may have heard some larger brands boycotting Facebook ads. Things are certainly volatile right now, so careful consideration and monitoring of your paid advertisements is key to keeping things level.
That's right, Freddie. And our last tip, try to keep things fresh and new. Test new creatives and new concepts frequently.
When things are changing as quickly as they are right now, having different options mean you can see what's working well and what's not without feeling like your whole campaign is floundering.
While we've created these tips for display advertising in mind, this really begs true for other forms of paid media as well. Check out our recent blog for more information.
And make sure you subscribe to our channel so you know when we post the next Monday Marketing Minute. We'll see you next time.